So once you've matched them up, you then select connection type. Yeah, continue. You got that.
So, because if we're doing it on Dale's wagon and ours, that would eliminate the Susie on the truck.
Yeah, yep.
Now, if we're on Dale's and not ours, you could say, well, it could be power supply from truck.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's not.
So it's this wire, that wire, and that wire. CX31 and CX32 that goes to this plug. There, X1. So what I'm going to do is to check that one and that one to see if there's 24 volts coming down, and then I'm going to put a light on to check them under load to make sure that there's no resistance coming through. If they check out fine, then it's the ECU, and if there's no live, and then it's the wire in between, so it's that wire or that wire between there and the Susie. Right, so here's X1. Right, so upon first inspection, there's no a bit of grease in there, but that's a good sign. No water in plug. Right. So there's no indication of where the lives are in the plug. So what I'm going to do is use a common earth and test each one to see if there's two lives, as there shouldn't be. So if there isn't one, then we know that there's one down. To create a common earth, I'm going to use this and link it from the back of the batteries to their amp post and underneath there. Right, so we've got this earth down here from the batteries. So what I'm going to do is test each port on there, and that goes into X1 to see if there's any anomalies. There should be two CAN lines that jump from 11 to 14. There should be two negs, an earth and a signal, which should be nothing. So we're going to the top one. 24 volt there. Go on to there. 23. There. So nothing in there. 24 there. There. There's your signal wire. Then there. It's moving erratically. We've gone on to now 23. Top one. Yep. Middle. Nothing. Top 24. Top right. Nothing. Bottom right. 24. Bottom. Good hand line. Bottom left. Moving erratically. And top left. There. So what the next job is, I'm going to test with the bulb. So now I'm going to use a test lamp to see what lights up. So we've got top one. So 24, that's fine. So top left. Nothing in top left. Nothing in bottom left. Bottom right, fine. Nothing in that one. Nothing in that one. So yeah. Got nothing. Lights up. Lights up. Nothing. 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 Light. Light. Nothing. Nothing. The previous check as testing has come out inconclusive. So what we're going to do is bell each wire out from there to the plug at the ECU to check if each one's got a circuit. If one throws off or gives off high resistance, that'll be the wire to look at, as a few of the wires have been giving erratic data. So this will just confirm.
Grey one. Yeah.
Right, so as that test, the first test came back inconclusive. What we're going to do now is, this is the Susie. It comes from there. I've got it to here. I've got it in pin 4. I'm going to check where that wire goes into there. We're getting there. I'm going to check that pin 4 there. I'm going to check that wire in that plug, see if there's any resistance in it. And we're going to check it on the others as well to see if it's tracking. So yeah, pin 4 goes to the middle one. So that's in there. As you can see, no resistance in there. So I'll just check the others to make sure that there's nothing going across. That's in the top one. Got 28 there. Matters here that there's tracking across them. So just do rest anyway. So in there. Oh, same again. Go into there. Same again. Into there. Right. About there. That one's fine. So over to there. And that's got a bit in as well. So that's which one it should be in. Which, as you can see, yep. However, it's also tracking across that one, that one, that one, and that one, which would suggest there's water in the plug. So I'm going to go to the plug now, take the back off, and do a visual inspection on that. Right. Right, so the next step is a visual inspection of the Susie and this plug. But now, we've had the tester on that plug and the wagon, and that's checked out fine. So, next step is to go into there. Let's start. Now, this is our shunter wagon. Not the original wagon that was on. That was connected when the fault first came on. Which would suggest that our unit is fine. But, got to be certain. So what I'm going to do is take that off and see if there's anything obvious in it. I'll be back in a second. Right, so as you can see, after I've taken apart this, we have somebody has made a repair that has failed. You can see just there, the wire's broken. That is for pin 2, which is the ignition live, which would. There you go, that's your power supply fault. And so, lovely, thank you.